Hello everyone, my name is Alusia Putri Krisnandari. I am grateful that I can study at UNS in the Soil Science Study Program because before I was accepted at UNS, I had a lot of struggle and I had a lot of failures. I undergo a period of gap year, but gap year changed me as a person and changed my perspective on my life. For those who don't know about gap year also known as the sabbatic years, is usually a years-long break after or before college, and I want to tell you about my gap year experience.
I graduated from high school in 2019. After I graduated from high school, I planned to continue my studying at Poltekkes Surakarta. When I did the Poltekkes test, I got through the question easily and felt confident about the test result. But when the announcement intrude out that I failed to become a Poltekkes student, the fact that I was not accepted by the Poltekkes did not make me give up. I realized that there is SBMPTN that I must walk, so I had to rest from my disappointment. I studied the SBMPTN question every day, but the fact when I did the SBMPTN test, I got to the SBMPTN question because the questions were very hard. After I finished the SBMPTN test, I start to feel a pessimist with the result. I could only surrender. I was expecting a miracle, but luck is not on my side. I had a failures in SBMPTN because I was tired of struggling, so I decided to rest for a year. I decided on a gap year. In the first month of my gap year period, my family and friends always gave me support, but disappointment still overwhelmed me. One day, my mom said to me that flower has different time for blooming. Humans also have different time for success, so you don't get hung up in disappointment. Wait for your time. Since I received that quote, my spirit returned. I accepted all my failures. I could enjoy my life more. I spend my time to hanging out with friends. I also felt how hard it to work. I also learned new things and meet new people who taught me the meaning of life. I opened myself up to the outside world by joining organization. By joining organization, I would grow as a person and prepare myself for the challenge of the real world. Since January of 2020, I prepared myself for the SBMPTN test. Every day, laziness is always ahead of me. When I look at the pile of thick books with thousands of questions, but I try to get rid of my laziness. I want to be successful this year, so I had to study. In this time, confusion, doubt, and worry overtook me. I was unstable in choosing college and university major. Until one day, my parents advised me to take in environment science and soil science at UNS. Then I obeyed what my parents suggested. The government policy about the SBMPTN test implementation also confused me Because the government policy about the SBMPTN test changed frequently since COVID entered Indonesia, until finally the government decided that the SBMPTN was implemented in July. I tried my best when I did my SBMPTN test and I gave the result to God. During the period of waiting for the announcement, I was haunted by my past failures. Then I prayed that I could accept whatever the outcome would be. When the announcement, I was afraid to open it. So the announcement was opened by my friend. After my friend opened the announcement, my friend immediately congratulated me. I was grateful because I was accepted in soil science in UNS and I promised to study hard in soil science.
I believe that God's plan is more beautiful than our desire. Prof, when I decided to gap year, in the beginning was painful, but this period was taught me that failures is something that everyone unwanted. So I had to rest from my failures and I had to fight for my futures. I was learned by my gap year experience to maintain my self-motivation and improve my ability. And this period made me realize that meeting new people is important, and this period made me realize that there is no success without sacrifice and there is no success without hardness. Okay friend, that is story about my gap year. Hopefully it can be useful and become your inspiration. Thank you for your attention.